Leather is a multi-billion-dollar industry requiring more than 3.8 billion cattle each year, which results in severely negative environmental impact. Researchers at Tufts University recently discovered alternative material, which has a similar texture, flexibility, and stiffness to natural leather. It turns out, we have been wearing that material all along. It's silk, but instead of weaving the silk into the fabric, the scientists were able to break down the fibers from silkworm cocoons into their protein components and repurpose the proteins to form the leather-like material. In addition to being derived from dissolving silk fibers, manufacturing is water-based, using only mild chemicals, conducted at room temperature, and producing mostly non-toxic waste. Furthermore, it's even possible to use 3D printing to create desirable patterns, as well as fine-tune the material's strength and flexibility. This new silk leather is also completely recyclable, as it can be redissolved and regenerated into its gel-like stock matter to be reprinted into new products.